Hello, I am your monster friend. Can you say hello? Hello? Today we learn feelings. I feel good today. I am happy. Now you say it. I am happy. Oh no, my ice cream. I am sad.
You are sad.
My tummy is empty. I am hungry.
I am hungry too. I am hungry too.
I want to sleep. I am tired. Now you say it. You are tired. A party. I am excited.
I am excited.
Oh, birds, I am surprised. Now you say it. I am surprised. Say them with me. Happy, sad. Say them with me. Hungry, tired. Say them with me. Excited, surprised, happy, sad, hungry, tired, excited, surprised. That was fun. You did very well.